Banana. Yummy. I'm just gonna pull this thing and try and take a bite of that. Go ahead. Num num num. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning and we are getting ready to go to an air show. Aubrey has her purse and she's got her dress on and she's all
at Walmart.
You did get that at Walmart? That's very true. Where are we going?
To see airplanes.
To see airplanes, and we got our earplugs. Our earmuffs for the show for both the kids. So I'm not really sure how he's gonna do. But Aubrey went last year and she did really good and she had the earmuffs. Probably just the umbrella stroller. So, do you think she needs one or should we take the double stroller? Do you see airplanes?
Airplanes.
2 airplanes. We're gonna see a bunch of airplanes in a little bit.
What?
They're gonna be up in the sky.
Is it?
Are you excited? Yeah? Wow, say cheese. Cheese. She's like,
Come on, can you
how cool. Can you smile?
Can you give me a thumbs up?
Can you give a thumbs up? There you go. Wow,
Picture of
smile. 1, 2. Thank you.
Felt like just handed off.
What do you say?
high five, okay, that works for me.
Thank you. You too. Hi buddy, look at you with your little earmuffs on. Asher's just chilling here eating some puffs, shoving his mouth. Last time I was here, Asher was in my belly and now he's here enjoying it, huh? I cannot see either. There you are. What do you think, bud? Say hi. You got your chair. Good job. It's so hot. You're gonna push. Now let's leave him there where he's at. So we decided to walk back to the car and watch the planes from the car, huh? It's a lot cooler and we could sit in the back seat in Asher. What? And Aubrey's picking some flowers. Go ahead. Look up there, Obs. Look up in the sky. Look at all the people. Do you see them coming down? Do you see them? It's all the red stuff. Here, let him have a few, okay? You share with your brother. Oh, okay. Is that good? You eating your fishies? You went down? Okay. Alright, so we are leaving. Aubrey's passed out. I can't see Asher, but he's passed out. Yeah, so now we get to sit in traffic. It's 4:14. We'll see how long it takes us to get home.
I was never till 5.
Yeah. But we just saw the Blue Angels, which I thought was awesome. So it was definitely worth staying till the end. So we'll see how long till we get home. Asher, what are you watching? Let's see if he'll do it again. Wow. What is that? He's trying to grab it. Go ahead and watch. Look at Asher's high chair. He's like the king. He's up higher than all of us. Ow! Hey! Did you take your bow out?
Yes, she did.
What did you get? Did you get some spaghetti? Do you know where we are? We're at Red Robin. Eating, and then we'll go home. Is that good? Aubrey's eating some salad. She loves it. You got your balloon? He's like not sure. And Aubrey's got her balloon. So we just stopped to get something to eat. Now we're on our way home. Depot. Surprise, surprise. Hey guys. So we just got home a little bit ago. You stinker. So we just got home a little bit ago. We're just sitting here watching The Good Dinosaur. And as you can see, I got a lot of sun. Aubrey, you did not. Okay, yeah, so Aubrey didn't because we put sunblock on her. I'm actually kind of embarrassed to show you Asher because we put sunblock on him like twice. Maybe a couple more than that, but he's got it, like his whole body's fine, but his face is so red. So look at him. Look at his poor little face. Like it looks bad in the camera and it's not really that bad, I promise, but he got some rosy cheeks. Yeah, it looks bad in the camera. I swear to you, it's not that bad in real life. So we both have red faces. But it'll probably go away tomorrow, I'm assuming. It's probably just really red now because it was really hot there. So yeah, so we started our day at 9:30 and we just got back at 6:30. So we've been gone pretty much all day. So everyone's pretty much tired. I hope that this redness goes away by tomorrow because I look very funny. It doesn't hurt or anything, but it's just really red. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. Come on. Wow, so close. You're getting so brave, buddy. Let's zoom in. I can do this way too. Obs! So we have like a mom and it's two little babies. Where's the other one at? Oh, they're there. You see two of them, the little babies, and they're in our yard every single evening. It's so cute. Go ahead. Push it along. I'm gonna use that. So it's so funny to me, like these little cars right here are actually Aubrey's. We got them for her whenever she was around Asher's age. And she never really played with them. She kind of just looked at them and chewed on them. But Asher actually like takes them and like pushes them. It's like such a little, he's such a boy. It's so funny how, you know, like Aubrey would be all into like the dolls and stuff. And he's very into like cars and stuff and making loud noises. Huh. Are you into making loud noises? And dancing. Anytime he hears music, he dances. What should we sing? Asher, say dance, 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 dance. And we've actually been reading him a book every night. So this book we started reading, and it's actually really cute. There's the little blue truck leads the way, and then it also came in this one. I think this is the original one, which I never heard of these, but my aunt got them for Asher whenever I was pregnant. So we've been reading these to him, and he's really into them. He's always like pointing at the truck. Every page he like points at the truck. So I think that's really cute. But where you going, buddy? Where's your car? Say beep beep. Beep beep. Loud noises. Get your car. Can you show me how you play with your car? Where's your car? Or you just want to play with that? Go ahead. Show me how you drive it. There you go. Whoop, whoop. It's funny though, he like pushes it and drives it right along, huh? Woo! Noise. Go ahead. Say beep beep. What's the car say? Asher, what's the car say? Beep beep. Woo! Say uh-oh. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. But before I do end the vlog, I just want to give a shout out to the Good Night Walkers. Thank you guys for watching our vlogs and for commenting on our vlogs as well. It definitely is something that we always look forward to. We love reading your comments, and they're always so sweet. So thank you guys. If you guys have not heard of them, definitely check them out. They are the Good Night Walkers. I will also leave a link below so you can click on them and check their channel out. They're just a fun family who are doing a lot of fun things, and they are sharing their lives with everybody as well. So, whoopsies. So definitely, oh, he's falling down. So definitely go check them out. And do you want to say anything? Say, hopefully my red face will go away tomorrow. Yeah? But yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked today's vlog, which I hope you did, please give it a thumbs up. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.